If you are a mom who has ever thought, what happens if this income disappears? Or what if something changes and I am not prepared? This video is for you. This is not about getting rich fast. This is not about hustling harder. And this is definitely not about becoming a tech expert. This is about long-term financial security, built in a way that actually works with mom life, school schedules, sick days, mental load, real life. If you are a stay-at-home mom, a working mom, or somewhere in between, stay with me. This conversation matters more than most money advice online. Why money stress hits moms differently. Moms experience money stress differently because most families rely on one main income or one main schedule, because career breaks are common, because flexibility often comes at the cost of earning power, and because when things go wrong, moms are usually the ones expected to adapt. Traditional income paths were not built for this reality. Most jobs reward constant availability, fixed hours, and uninterrupted careers. When kids enter the picture, that model starts to crack. If you have ever felt financially vulnerable, behind, or dependent, that is not a personal failure. That is a system problem. Long-term security for moms requires something different. It requires skills that travel with you, income that flexes, and systems that do not collapse when life gets messy. This is where AI quietly changes the game. Reframing AI for moms. When most people hear AI, they think of coding, tech jobs, or something cold and complicated. That's not the AI we're talking about. AI today is a support tool. It helps you think faster, write faster, organize better, and execute ideas without burning out. And here's the part most people miss. AI rewards skills moms already have: planning, problem solving, communication, consistency, managing multiple priorities. You do not need to become technical, you need to become strategic. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Pillar 1. Building future-proof skills with AI. The first way moms build long-term financial security with AI is through skills, not trends. AI does not replace human judgment, it supports it. Moms can use AI to strengthen skills like writing and editing, research and summarizing, content creation support, planning and organization, customer communication. These are not short-term skills. These are skills businesses always need. The difference is that AI reduces the time and energy required to use them. Instead of spending hours writing or planning, AI helps you get there faster. That means you can build competence without sacrificing family time. Skills create options. Options creates security. Pillar 2. Flexible income that fits mom life. Long-term security does not come from one employer or one paycheck. It comes from having control. AI allows moms to offer services without being online all day, work during school hours or nap time, pause without income completely disappearing, build income streams that grow gradually. This is not about doing everything at once. It's about building something sustainable. When income is flexible, stress goes down. When stress goes down, consistency becomes possible. Consistency is what builds long-term results. Pillar 3. Systems that protect your time and energy. The third and most overlooked piece is systems. Many moms try side hustles that depend entirely on their time. When they stop, income stops. AI helps moms create simple workflows, repeatable workflows, templates instead of starting from scratch, automated steps that reduce decision fatigue. This matters because long-term security is not about working harder, it's about removing fragility. When you have systems, life disruptions don't wipe everything out. That's real stability. The mindset shift that makes this work. Here's the mindset shift. Financial security is not about chasing money. It's about building skills you own, income you control, and systems that support you. AI is not the goal. AI is the tool. You are still the decision maker, and moms who start now, slowly and intentionally, are positioning themselves for a future with more options and less fear. If this video gave you clarity or relief, you're not alone. Comment AI if you want me to break this down step by step in future videos. Follow along if you want realistic guidance built for mom life, not hustle culture. You deserve financial security that fits your life, not one that costs you everything else.